Breaking news. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has officially retouched down in Nepal. This exciting announcement comes from Alpha Automotive, the authorized distributor of Royal Enfield motorcycles in Nepal. This isn't just same previous Meteor 350 though. Assembled right here in Nepal, this model boasts an attractive price tag that's significantly lower than its imported predecessor, ranging from 5.5 to 5.65 lakh rupees. A perfect blend of affordability and performance, the Meteor 350 is set to take the Nepalese roads by storm. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The Meteor 350 is a marvel to behold. This motorcycle sports a classic cruiser design, drawing inspiration from the revered Thunderbird. It features a halogen headlamp, a circular LED DRL, and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, all of which contribute to its timeless aesthetic. A comfortable split-seat setup ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring winding mountain roads. Under the hood, the Meteor 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. This powerhouse generates 20.48 PS of power and 27 Newton-meters of torque, promising a thrilling ride every time. A 5-speed gearbox and a 15-liter fuel tank complement the robust engine, providing optimal performance and efficiency. Handling the suspension duties are telescopic forks and twin-tube emulsion absorbers, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The Meteor 350 boasts a ground clearance of 170 millimeters and tips the scale at 191 kilograms. A standard dual-disc braking setup provides reliable stopping power, although it's worth noting that this model does not offer ABS. 3 variants of the Meteor 350 are available: Fireball, Stellar, and Supernova. Each variant offers distinct features on basis of looks and comes with a distinct price tag. In summary, the new Royal Enfield Meteor 350, now available in Nepal, offers a blend of classic design and modern performance at an affordable price. With its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and attractive aesthetics, it's set to make a mark on the Nepalese motorcycling scene. So gear up, rev that engine, and get ready to ride like royalty. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is here, and it's ready to rule the road. Thank you for staying till last as we explored the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. We hope you enjoyed our review and found it informative. Now, we would love to hear from you. Do you think it's a good fit for the Nepalese roads? Your opinions matter to us, so let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content, and it also contributes to the broader motorcycling community. So don't hold back. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and keep the engine roaring.